In this lesson, we will see together the geminated consonants. So it will be really interesting, and I really advise you to take some notes for this one. So this is important. Just imagine that you have first one consonant, then after that you will have a here, and then another consonant after. Well, look, you will not pronounce your vowel a in most of the cases. So the usually disappears after a single pronounced consonant. This is important, single pronounced consonant. So we'll take an example. Tu demandes. So normally when I pronounce it, I try to emphasize on it for my students because I think it's important, but keep in mind that in most of the cases, when French people will speak among each other, they will go for tu demandes, demande. So in fact, the won't be really pronounced here. It will disappear. Tu demandes, demande. So that's the reason why sometimes you don't hear the because as we saw here, the usually disappears after a single pronounced consonant. It will go the same way here. Tu, we don't say regarde, but we'll say regarde, regarde. So remember, demande, regarde. So just because the consonant, the single pronounced consonant, will remove the sound from the here. Regarde, demande. Now, just imagine that we have one consonant, another consonant, then a, and after that a consonant. Well, in that situation, you will pronounce a. So let's take some examples. So the is usually pronounced after two or more pronounced consonants. Il demande. So in that case, look, you've got N here, you've got D here, so clearly you've got two consonants before so you will pronounce it. Same situation here, you've got R and then you've got D. So it means that first pronunciation, that the one that you will do at the beginning, you will pronounce the first demande. But little by little, you will remove the first one, demande, but the last one must be there. Demande. Elle, first, you pronounce everything, regarde, and then little by little, the first will disappear. Elle regarde, but the last one is here. All right? Demande, regarde. So, let's continue. In front of a vowel, the always disappears. This is called elision. It's a classic. This is something extremely important in French. You need to remember this elision. This elision appears in the spelling of monosyllabic words. We're talking about the short ones, the really short words like je, le, ce, de, me, ne, te, ce, que, etc. So in that case, it means that this will have to disappear when you do elision. And instead of you will put an apostrophe. So the in these words is replaced by an apostrophe. In that case here, you don't say je aime, you will remove and you will put this apostrophe. J'aime. Le aéroport, you will remove your and you put apostrophe l'aéroport. Je me appelle, you remove your you put the apostrophe je m'appelle. J'aime l'aéroport, je m'appelle. So be careful because the elision, the thing that we just saw, of the E, of je and ce, does not appear with the interrogative inversions. Remember that when we are asking questions, if we want, and that's normally the way it should be, we will change the order. We will start with the verb and put the subject after. So in these cases, like you can see here for the first one, when you do the inversion, it means that your will have to stay there even if you have a vowel right after. That's the concept. So in this situation, as you can see, ai-je aimé ce livre? So in that situation, we keep the here because we have the inversion, the interrogative inversion. Est-ce acceptable? Same concept here. You keep it because you have the inversion and you must keep your Ai-je aimé ce livre? Est-ce acceptable? Remember also that before an H aspiré, the E is pronounced. For instance, le haut de l'immeuble. In that case, O, it's what we call H aspiré, so it means that you won't do the elision at all, you will keep your E here. Le haut de l'immeuble. Remember that I've been making videos regarding this H aspiré and the other one, the H muet. I really invite you to have a look at them if you don't know which one is which. So before H aspiré, the E is pronounced and stays. Le haut de l'immeuble. And last but not least, the elision of E of le does not appear with the imperative inversions. Like here, dis-le avant lui. Dis-le avant lui. Same concept is here as we had for the interrogative inversion. For the imperative inversion in that case, because this is the pronoun complément d'objet direct, le, so it means that le, the E will have to stay here and you don't do the elision.